Here you see everyone, the holy city of Tzfat above us. It's Erev Rosh HaShana in the Galil. And the city's lit up. And here we are at the mikveh of the Arizal Kadosh. Familiar to a lot of people, maybe not to everyone. An ancient spring that reportedly the Arizal himself brought forth from the ground by saying a certain set of prayers and unifications, meditations. The Rav is able to access the power to bring forth water from the earth. You know, the miracles of the Kabbalah are miracles, obviously, but when you learn the meditations and the connections, it starts to make sense. But you have to have the entire picture. And the picture begins with God's speech. And his speech is in Hebrew. And those letters are not simply static sounds in a three-dimensional universe. They are vibrations that continually sound throughout creation. Here across the view you see the grave of the Arizal lit up, and up the mountainside it goes. Tonight we're going to walk down the staircase to Rabbi Yeshua ben Hananiah, who's one of the great Tanaim, extremely poor man, extremely righteous, from the generation before Rabbi Akiva, and beside him is Hannah and her 7 sons, who were martyrs because of the Romans. But we're talking about miracles and letters. So you see, if these letters are really continuously pulsing through creation, and a human being who is the collective of all those powers of creation meditates on those letters and unifies and binds himself to the letters, well, what do you think should happen?